Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make a Bluesky feed. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and type in skyfeed.app. Once done, just hit on enter. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, the service is bluesky.social. Under username, just go ahead and put your username right here or your Bluesky username. Alright, if not, you can just go ahead and enter your email address. So I'm going to look for my username right here at my profile right here. I'm just going to copy it and go to Skyfeed, paste that in here. Now for the app password, what we're going to do is just go back to our Bluesky. Now in here, just go ahead over to settings. Now go to privacy and security and hit on app passwords. Click on it. And as you can see here, there will be a big blue button which says add app password. Just click on it and type in maybe a Skyfeed. All right. Once done, just hit on next. Do not tick this one right here. All right. Again, do not tick this allow access to your direct messages. Just hit on next. Once done, you'll be shown your unique password. All right. Just go ahead and click on this copy icon right here. Click on it. That is copied. Now go back to Skyfeed and paste that password in here. Once that's done, hit on continue. Now, as you can see here, we'll be able to see all the threads that we have made or we have posted, your notifications, your profile right here, and so on and so forth. All right. Now, what we're going to do here to make a feed is just go ahead and click on feed builder. All right. And click on create your first feed. Now, what we're going to do in here, let's just delete this one. Hello world. Delete that one. And type in your feed name. For example, sample feed from Skyfeed. As you can see here, there are a ton of people that have been trying this skyfeed.app. Just go ahead and click on the input drop down right here. Click on it. All right. And head over to feed. Another drop down. Discover. As you can see here, you might notice that there are a lot of errors right here at the right pane. Just go ahead and delete this one. All right. And the error should be gone. And as you can see, it is currently gone. You go ahead and play around with these settings right here and sort by creation date. It's up to you if you want to, descending or ascending. Now, once you're done with everything, just go ahead and hit on publish feed. All right. And go ahead and put your description. For example, this is a sample feed for my YouTube video. All right. As per license, just go ahead and click on the drop down right here. If you want everything to make a feed out of your feed, you can go ahead and allow remixes with saying license. If not, all rights reserved. All right. And for MIT right here, it allows everything, but they will need attribution. All right. Just go ahead and select one and hit on publish. Once that's done, skyfeed.app will load. Now let's go back to our Bluesky account. And here, you can go ahead and delete your password right here if you want to. If not, go ahead over to your profile, go to feeds. And as you can see here, we have just posted a feed using the skyfeed.app. All right. Now, if you want to edit this, you can do this inside the Bluesky website. All right. As you can see here, just go ahead and go back to Skyfeed and hit on update feed. From here, you can just go ahead and upload an avatar and edit your description right here. Once done, just hit on publish. And again, refresh the Bluesky website. Here is the username, which is my username, and the description. This is a sample feed for my YouTube video. And here's the title. That's basically how we make a feed on Bluesky. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.